Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Correct Rlcraft build and dragon mods. First, secure materials, obsidian frames, gold, lapis, blaze rods, and free inventory space for eggs. Next, scout or create thunderstorms. Lightning dragons require charged strikes. Once done, place a lightning rod or summon a storm with commands if needed, then build an observation platform downwind. Make sure to stay clear of blast radius and keep a safe escape route. This gets you into the initial spawning. You must time placement precisely. Drop or place the dragon egg in the prepared frame as lightning strikes the rod or target nearby. Charged lightning transforms the egg into a lightning variant. Once the hatch appears, act fast. Calm the youngster with its preferred bait, cooked fish or mod-specific items, and start feeding to raise trust. Make sure to shield it from hostile mobs and environmental damage. Place a roof or fence. Continue offering XP and armor upgrades until the hatchling's loyalty. You finish by training your lightning dragon. Practice takeoff, landing, and using lightning breath while managing stamina and cooldowns so you don't overcommit. If the spawn fails, verify mod compatibility, ensure the lightning was charged, and that the egg sat in the correct exposed frame. Retry during another storm. If taming stalls, increase bait frequency, heal any damage, and remove nearby threats that reset AI. Make sure saves are backed up before major attempts to avoid loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.